हेलो एवरीवन, ये GS2 की आंसर की है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, जिला अधिकारी ने सबको उपस्थित रहने का निर्देश दिया है में कौन सा वाच्य है? ऑप्शन बी कृतवाच्य है। क्वेश्चन 2, अधोलिखित में से शुद्ध वर्तनी वाला शब्द है? ऑप्शन सी बाजार। क्वेश्चन 3, इनमें से विलोम शब्दों का सही युग्म है? ऑप्शन सी अकुंचन प्रसारण। क्वेश्चन 4, निम्नलिखित में से एक शब्द युग्म सरस्वती का पर्यायवाची नहीं है? ऑप्शन बी हेम हिरण्य। क्वेश्चन 5, अनेकार्थी शब्द प्रभाव में का इनमें से एक अर्थ नहीं है, वह है? ऑप्शन सी विग्रह। क्वेश्चन 6, अत्यधिक में कौन सी संधि है? ऑप्शन ए यण संधि। क्वेश्चन 7, निम्नलिखित में से कौन सी लोकोक्ति लाक्षणिक अर्थ सही है? ऑप्शन डी टके का सब खेल है, वैसे सब कुछ करता है। क्वेश्चन 8, जिन शब्दों से काम का करना या होना पाया जाए उन्हें ऑप्शन बी क्रिया कहते हैं। क्वेश्चन 9, निम्नलिखित वाक्यों में से यह वाक्य चुनिए जिसमें सार्वनामिक विशेषण का प्रयोग किया गया है? ऑप्शन ए कोई आदमी आ रहा है। क्वेश्चन 10, इनमें से कौन सा तद्भव शब्द है? ऑप्शन बी आग। क्वेश्चन 11, निम्नलिखित में सही विराम चिन्ह से युक्त वाक्य का चुनाव कीजिए? ऑप्शन डी राम नरेश गोबर गणेश है। क्वेश्चन 12, गद्यांश का सही शीर्षक है? ऑप्शन डी राष्ट्र के विकास में संस्कृति का योगदान। क्वेश्चन 13, सभ्यता और संस्कृति में? ऑप्शन डी घनिष्ठ संबंध होते हुए भी अंतर है। क्वेश्चन 14, गद्यांश में किस शब्द का प्रयोग नहीं है? ऑप्शन डी प्रकृति। क्वेश्चन 15, प्रत्येक राष्ट्र की संस्कृति वहाँ की? ऑप्शन ए भौगोलिक परिस्थितियों पर भी निर्भर होती है। क्वेश्चन 16, राष्ट्र किसके बल पर प्रगति करते हैं? ऑप्शन ए संस्कृति के बल पर। क्वेश्चन 17, विसर्ग का उच्चारण स्थान है? ऑप्शन डी कंठ है। क्वेश्चन 18, घोंघा बसंत मुहावरे का अर्थ है? ऑप्शन ए मूर्ख। क्वेश्चन 19, लुधानती इनमें से किस बोली की उपभाषा के अंतर्गत आती है? ऑप्शन सी बुंदेली। क्वेश्चन 20, निम्नलिखित में से किस एक वाक्य के शब्द में व्यंजन वर्ण संबंधी अशुद्धि है? ऑप्शन ए उसे धोखा देकर लूट लिया। क्वेश्चन 21, अवधि किस अपभ्रंश से विकसित हुई है? ऑप्शन बी अर्धमागधी अपभ्रंश से। क्वेश्चन 22, गंगा का पर्यायवाची शब्द नहीं है? ऑप्शन ए रवितन्या। क्वेश्चन 23, निम्नलिखित में से शुद्ध वाक्य है? ऑप्शन डी श्री कृष्ण के अनेक नाम हैं। क्वेश्चन 24, द्विरुक्ति संबंधी अशुद्ध शब्द नहीं है? ऑप्शन डी आपकी भवदिया। क्वेश्चन 25, निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा शब्द तत्सम नहीं है? ऑप्शन सी खार। क्वेश्चन 26, दिस पैसेज कुड मोस्ट प्रोबेबली बी ए पार्ट ऑफ? ऑप्शन सी अ स्पीच। क्वेश्चन 27, पिक आउट द रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट? ऑप्शन ए द प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ इंडियंस आर लाइक एनीवन एल्स। Question 28, what is the synonym of the phrasal verb doing away with used in the passage? Option B abolish. Question 29, according to the author, our national objective is to option B promote individual freedom and prosperity. Question 30, the underlined word in the passage vigor means? Option C force. Question 31, choose the correct word which is opposite in meaning of the given word? Option A advance. Question 32, choose the correct one which best expresses the meaning of the phrase of the underlined words. I am like a cog in the wheel of this company. Option A an unimportant person. Question 33, fill in the blank with the appropriate word given below. The Air India Dash concessional tickets these days. Option A is issuing. Question 34, select the correct and indirect speech of the given sentence. I said to him, let us go out for a walk. Option A, I suggested to him that we should go out for a walk. Question 35, which of the following is correctly punctuated? What a beautiful painting, did you paint it? Option B, what a beautiful painting, exclamatory sign, did you paint it? Question mark. Question 36, transform the following simple sentence into complex sentence. He admitted his mistake. Option A, he admitted that he was making a mistake. Question 37, find out the misspelled word. Option C, deceive. Deceive की spelling है DECEIVE. Question 38, change the voice and select the correct passive voice from the given options. Option D, she was given a bulldog. Question 39, consider the following statement and choose the correct option. The dash is used 1 to indicate an abrupt stop or change of thought, 2 to resume a scattered subject. Option B, only 2. Question 40, choose the correct word which expresses the meaning of the underlined word of the sentence given below. Deepak has a penchant for fine poetry. Option C, liking. अब ये एप्टीट्यूड वाला सेक्शन है. क्वेश्चन 41, ये सेट डी के क्वेश्चन पेपर है. इफ E इज इक्वल टू 5, अमेंडमेंट इज इक्वल टू 89, देन सेक्रेटरी इज इक्वल टू ऑप्शन ए 114. Question 42, there is a clock that is 3 minutes late on Sunday at 2 p.m. and it is 5 minutes fast on Tuesday on 2 p.m. When did the clock show the right time? Option A, Monday 8 a.m. Question 43. If in any code language LC is written as 6 and TE is written as 10, then what will be the code of PD in the same code language? Option C, 8. Question 44. If the radius of a cylinder is increased by 25%, then how much percent the height must be reduced so that the volume of the cylinder remains same? Option B, 36. Question 45. Which of the following is determined with the help of Instagram? Option B, mode. Question 46. Choose the set of numbers from the alternatives which is similar to the set 6, 36, 63. Option C, 8, 64, 46. Question 47. If two dogs start running in the opposite directions on a circular path of diameter 7 meter with the speed 2.5 meter per second and 3 meter per second, then how long will they take to be at maximum distance? Option D, 4 seconds. Question 48. If a subject attempts to solve a problem on the basis of his past experience, it is called Option C, mental set. Question 49. Who has said decision making involves evaluating alternatives and making choices among them? Option C, Baron. Question 50. Choose the number pair group which is different from the others. Option A, 18:73. Question 51. If A plus B is equal to A upon B plus B upon A, then the value of A square plus B square is option A, 2. Question 52. If X men complete a work in 40 days and after adding 5 extra men days, 10 days are saved, then 30 men will complete this work in option D, 20 days. Question 53. A and B are brother and sister respectively. C is father of A, D is sister of C, and E is mother of D. Then how is B related to E? Option A, granddaughter. Question 54. A train of length 140 meter is running at a speed of 60 km per hour and a cat is running in the same direction parallel to the train at a speed of 18 km per hour. The train will cross the cat in option C, 12 seconds. Question 55. Algorithm is a type of option D, heuristics. Question 56. Which one of the following methods of problems solving gives guarantee of success? Option A, heuristics method. Question 57. Statement. College students should be restricted from participating in political activities. Argument 1. Yes, college students should concentrate on studies. 2. Yes, colleges are becoming battleground for political parties. Option B, only argument 2 is strong. Question 58. Which one of the following is not used by the people as a method of problem solving? Option A, trial and error. Question 59. Which one of the following is not a psychological barrier in communication? Option A, inattention. Question 60. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and other as reason R. Assertion. Clarity of communication is essential for effective communication process. Reason. Because adequacy and timing is not essential for effective communication process. Option D, A is true but R is false. Question 67. Shyam is friend of Ram. Pointing to Manish, Shyam asked Ram, who is he? Ram said, his son is my son's uncle. Manish is related to Ram as option B, father. Question 62. Which one of the following years will have the same calendar as of 2009? Option A, 2015. Question 63. Arrange the following elements of communication process in current sequence. Source, channel, receiver, message, feedback, noise. Option D, 1, 4, 2, 3, 6, 5. Question 64. Assertion. Interpersonal attraction is a part of social interaction. Reason. It is necessary for survival. Option D, both R and A are true and R is correct explanation of A. Question 65. If on 31st March 2008 is Sunday, then what day shall be on 31st March 2011? Option C, Thursday. Question 66. Functional fixedness produce dash in problem solving process. Option B, blocking. Question 67. Select one alternative from the following which is not the way of dealing with rumors. Option D, concealment of fact from leaders of community. Question number 68. If both the square root and the cube root of a 3-digit natural number belongs to the set of natural numbers, then the sum of digits is option B, 18. Question 69. Find the correct alternative from the following. Glasses is to question mark in the same way bicycle is to unicycle. Answer is option C, monocle. Question 70. Anup and Sunil are ranked 7th and 11th respectively from the top in the class of 31 students. What will be their respective ranks from the bottom in the class? Option D, 25th and 21. Question 71. Internal conflict that occurs when people receive information incompatible with their value system is known as option A, cognitive dissonance. Question 72. Blind and no blind is an example of option B, quantitative data. Question 73. Anuj is facing northeast and he turned 90 degree in the clockwise direction, then 180 degree in the anti-clockwise, and then in another 90 degree in the same direction. Which direction is he facing now? Option B, southwest. Question 74. This is a number series given below. What will be the next number in the series? 1, 0, 5, 8, 17, 24 dash. Option D, 37. Question 75. Originally, who developed the concept of a transactional analysis? Option B, Eric Berne. Question 76. Which one of the following is not a component of listening? Option D, sensing. Question 77. If the area of the base of a cone is increased by 100%, then the volume is increased by option D, 200%. Question 78. For one possible solution after another is tried until an unsuccessful one is found is called option C, trial and error. Question 79. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and other is reason R assertion. Oral communication is useful channel of communication. Reason, because oral communication has no proof what has been communicated. Option B. Both A and R are true and R is correct explanation of A. Question 80. Refer to the statements given below. All boys are truthful. Kamal is a boy. Conclusion. Kamal is truthful. All truthful persons are boys. Option A. Only one is correct. Question 81. Inductive reasoning is based on option A, specific to general principle. Question 82. Arrange the following words in the meaningful manner. Train, car, cycle, bus. Option D, 3, 2, 4, 1. Question 83. The semi-diameters of bases of two cylinders A and B are in the ratio 3:2 and their heights are in the ratio n:1. If volume of cylinder A is 3 times of the volume of cylinder B, then value of n is option B, 4/3. Question 84. The missing letter in the sequence Q, N, K, E is option A, H. Question 85. Which problem task is not used in animal subjects among following? Option D, puzzle box. Question 86. 11 observations are arranged in ascending order. If 10 and 9 are respectively the arithmetic means of observation on even and odd places, then the mean of all 11 observations is option B, 9:9.245. Question 87. Three numbers are in the ratio of 3:4:5 and their HCF and LCM are 40 and 2400 respectively. Then the largest number is option D, 200. Question 88. Which one of the following is not a type of informal communication network? Option D, circular. Question 89. Which type of problem was used by caller in problem solving? Option C, puzzle box. Question 90. Which communication network promotes an individual to communicate confidential information only with his immediate superior or subordinate? Option D, wheel chain. Question 91. In the communication model, the process of putting the ideas into a message is known as option B, encoding. Question 92. Find the missing number in the following: 2, 3, 4, 6, 6, 9, 8, 12, 10, 12, 18, 14, 21, 16, 24. Option D, 15. Question 93. Find the correct alternative from the missing term ABC, 6, EFG, 210, IJK, question mark, option A, 990. Question 94. Find the odd one from the given alternative. Option B, JOKQ. Question 95. Paralanguage is related to option A, non-verbal communication. Question 96. If the LCM and HCF of two polynomials are x plus 1, x square plus 6x plus 8 and x plus 1 respectively, and one of the polynomial is x square plus 5x plus 4, then the other is option A, x square plus 3x plus 2. Question 97. The relation that is there between 6 and 16 remains the same between 12 and option D, 34. Question 98. Select the related number from the given alternative. 4:17 is in the same with 7 option C, 50. Question 99. If after selling 30 pence the seller observes the profit of sale price of 10 pence, then the profit percentage is option D, 50%. Question 100. HCF of two numbers is 25 and other factors of their LCM are 14 and 15. Sum of the numbers is option D, 725. Thank you.